Hey guys, welcome back to another Thunderbye Tronics video. In this video, I'll be replacing the charging port on a Samsung Galaxy A71. As you can see, the charging port has been totally destroyed. I can start out by putting it on a heat plate to soften the adhesive. Then I can take a suction cup and lift up on the corner of the back cover, making a gap for my pry tool. Then I can work the pry tool around the edge of the phone. Now the back cover is free and can be removed. I will remove all the Phillips head screws holding down the plastic cover and the wireless charger. Now I can gently remove it. Now I will disconnect the battery. Moving down to the bottom of the phone, I will remove the screws holding the plastic cover, covering the charging port. Then it can just be popped out. I will remove the one screw holding down the charging port. Now I can disconnect all the connectors going to the charging port. Then I can remove the old charging port from the phone. As you can see, this port is completely destroyed. Here is it compared to the new port. Now I'll place the new charging port into the phone. And I can connect all the cables. I will plug it into power to test. And as you can see, it is taking charge. Now I will put all the covers and screws back where they came from. All the screws are Phillips, making this repair smooth and enjoyable. Now I will connect the battery and put the plastic cover back over the logic board. Now I will use some B7000 adhesive to adhere the back cover to the phone. Then I can use clamps to hold the cover down, allowing the adhesive to dry. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.